Hey Brochikas, for today's video I'm going to be giving you guys a closet tour. This is my walk-in closet that I share with my husband, but most of it is my stuff, to be honest. So it's taking me a long time to kind of like get it organized. It's not the most organized it could be, but I felt like this was the most organized it's gonna be, so I might as well give you guys a tour now. And this has been pretty requested by a few Brochikas, so we're just gonna run through and show you guys what I've got in here. Alright guys, so the lighting in here is not the best, so I do have my phone flashlight on. I know it's definitely not perfect, but this is the neatest that it's been in months, so I just figured I might as well show you guys my closet tour because I know that some of you have been requesting it. So here we go. We're gonna start with the dresser. I have my dresser inside of my closet just because I don't like the clutter in my room with like furniture, too much furniture. So this is my dresser. And I just bought this tray at Walmart. It was on sale from all of the holiday stuff. It's a wooden golden tray and it's mirrored, as you can see. It is so beautiful. I got it on sale for $5. It is such a steal because I used to use these Dollar Tree trays right here, which is so small, as you can see. But oh my gosh, I love this new addition, and I just neatened it up and I was like, you know, now would be the perfect time to show you guys before it gets all messed up. So just gonna quickly go over some things I have here. Just a body spray that I've been loving into the night with the matching body cream, and I love that it's gold and black. It like matches the aesthetic. This is the Chanel box from my first ever Chanel perfume that my husband got me not this past Christmas, but the Christmas before. And then Modern Muse. So these are my two favorite scents of life. I actually need to get another Modern Muse, the pink one. That's just a travel size I just keep there. It's got like 2 spritzes left in it. This is an Apple Watch band for like fancy occasions. And then I just have some random jewelry placed here just because I think it looks good. I got this little tray from Dollar Tree. It's got little eyelashes on it, and I just keep all of my earrings and plugs and stuff. And then I have my rings here. So that is that. I just love having the Chanel box there because it's just so pretty. Like, you don't throw away a Chanel box, you know what I mean? And over here I have a jewelry holder. My mom got this for me years ago, and it's like this little tree with all these little branches that you hang your necklaces or your bracelets off of. So this, I love this necklace. This is one of my favorites right now for when I go out, and this is from Forever 21. I think it was like 10 bucks, but it's super glittery and beautiful. It's a choker. I've got some other chokers on here and just some random. These are actually from Forever 21, but like over 10 years ago, which is insane. Then I just decided to keep my sunglasses here that I don't wear the most often. I have a few more pairs, but they're downstairs and in my car scattered. So these are just like trendy ones I got to like match fun outfits. And then I have some other jewelry in here. This is my actual wedding ring. This is my engagement ring. That I don't wear because I bent it and I bent the setting and I'm too nervous to take it anywhere. Also, it doesn't really fit me anymore because my fingers were way fatter when I got sized for that. And here I'm not going to open it up, but I just have like underwear, bras, pajamas, and like random stuff. This little thing here I've had for so long, and it's usually stays pretty messy like this, but it's organized chaos. It's just workout clothes. Basically, these first 3 are like workout clothes, workout leggings, you know. That's all it is here. On this side, I decide to carry my wintry stuff. So like I got this scarf hanger from Dollar Tree, and I've got all my scarves on there that I never wear. I've got this little Reebok windbreaker, this pink little trench, and then this little furry Valero. I think it's called a Valero, and that's just for nice occasions. I have a wig. Keep in mind, guys, that not everything I own is in this closet currently. From when I was Bride of Chucky, not this past Halloween, but the Halloween before. And then I have some black extensions here. Yeah, just randomly have hair there. These are 2 Dollar Tree perfumes I just keep right here. And then if we come over here, this is hubby's section. I try to neaten it all the time and it never stays neat. So we're not gonna pay attention to that. But this is also my section. Basically, I take up the entire closet, guys. He only gets a little bit of it. But I got this little rack from my friend Ale. I don't know where he got it from. But I have 2 pencil skirts here. So this one needs to be washed. I think that's like laundry detergent. So I have 2 black pencil skirts. Those are from my Estee Lauder days, but I don't like to get rid of business casual clothes because you never know when you're going to need to look, you know, really classy. And then I have hella shorts because I live in Texas and I've just acquired so many shorts. So we've got American Eagle. These are Levi that I cut myself. These are, I don't even know what brand that is. Oh, Blackheart. So these are Hot Topic. We've got some cheetah print I got from Kohl's. If you guys watch my hauls, you're going to recognize all of this stuff. These are some Old Navy, like mom shorts, basically. Some more American Eagle, because it's probably one of my favorite jean brands. This is Target. American Eagle again. And I don't know what this brand is, but I got this from Plato's Closet. So I've just got tons of shorts here, because you can never go wrong with that in Texas. And then this is my bathroom. I just threw that towel there because this is where we keep our towels for the shower. But yeah, that's the door to my bathroom, to my room. So if we come to this side, sorry, the lighting keeps getting bad. So if we come to this side of the room, you can see I've got these shelves up here. I'm too short to reach this, so I never keep anything up there. But I'm thinking I want to get a step ladder and really utilize that. So firstly, up here, I've got my cowgirl boots. I got these from, I want to say Marshall's, years and years ago. I like never wear them, but I also never want to get rid of them because you never know when you're going to have an occasion that you need to wear some cowgirl boots, because I live in Texas. So I also have these really cute bins that my friend Ale got for me from Dollar Tree, and they are, I just love this. They're so cute. But basically I just have headbands in there and like bandanas randomly. This is the bachelorette crown that I actually wore for my bachelorette party. My friend Danielle got it for me, and I just don't have the heart to get rid of it. It's just a great memory, and I'm just gonna keep it forever. This is a Dollar Tree bin that contains all of my makeup freelance business cards. This has like sewing stuff in it, and this is just drawers with random junk in it. Like honestly, I need to go through it and get rid of it, and I just haven't. This is a Rocky Horror Picture Show purse, and another bin from Dollar Tree with probably trash in it. I just made it look neat. I try to be organized, but I'm just not the most organized person ever, you know? And this is my shoe wall, and I'm really proud of my shoe wall, guys. It wasn't always like this. Like, I know this ain't no Jaclyn Hill closet, but you know what? I'm pretty proud of this closet. It took me a long time to get to the place where I could have this many shoes. I literally used to have 2 pairs of shoes. One would be sneakers, the other one was flip-flops. And to have all these options just makes me so happy. These I got for free on Facebook Marketplace. These I got from Marshall's. I think I paid like $25 for these. These are super nice heels. I wore it to my friend Ashley's wedding. These I also got for free on Facebook Marketplace. I know the inside looks a little bit rough, but they are a perfectly good shoe on the outside. And then these I got from Plato's Closet, I think on sale for $10. And they're just a regular summer shoe, a little wedge. These are from Torrid, and I like to keep these for my business casual outfits if I ever need to dress up for something. They go great with a pencil skirt. I don't know how much they were from Torrid because I actually had a credit card then, so I was just spending like nobody's business. Then I have these Michael Kors flats, which I actually do get a lot of work out of. I got them when I worked at Estee Lauder. When you first get hired, they give you 50% off of everything for your work attire. And so these were $100, and I got them for $50, I believe. So they're a really nice shoe, and they're actually really comfortable. And, you know, they're going to last many years to come. So they're already like, I want to say 2 or 3 years old. I'm not sure. So then I have these I also got from Plato's Closet. I know you can see my insert, but when it's on my foot, you can't see it, and it just makes them so much more comfortable. They're like these stiletto, peep toe, laser cut, lace up little booty type thingies. But these are my most comfortable going out heel. Well, maybe not the most comfortable, but like they look super dressy and you can last in them. Like I can wear those heels for at least 6 hours and I'm good. I got those from Plato's Closet. I think they were like 10 or 12 bucks. Then these shoes I love. I just don't really get the chance to wear them all the time because like I haven't gone out in a wintry outfit yet, but this is a very like wintry shoe. I feel like a chunky sweater and skinny jeans. So these were from, I want to say Macy's, and they were on sale for like 15 bucks. So that's the thing, guys. It looks like I've got all these shoes like, wow, she must have spent so much money. Yeah, right. I got all these things for sale and for free. So I have these thigh-high black stiletto heels from Fashion Nova. This was like the first order I made on Fashion Nova like years ago, maybe like 3 years ago. I still haven't worn them out. I've never worn them out, but I keep them because I want to have the balls to wear them out one day, and I think they're really beautiful and they're actually pretty comfortable. And you never know. So yeah, I keep them, but they were on sale for like 10 bucks. These sneakers I just bought from Walmart. If you guys saw that haul, these were on sale for 9 bucks, and these are gonna be my like athleisure shoes. So they're really comfortable and pretty. And these, look at how rough these are looking. Oh my gosh, yeah, these are super scuffed up, but you know what, guys? These are like my favorite heels to wear. I know they're boots, but they've got a chunky heel. These are my most favorite, most worn heel, and you know why? Because I can wear these babies for 10 hours, and they're not too tall, and they're not uncomfortable, and they just make your outfit look a little dressed up without you having to suffer. I also got these from Plato's Closet, but I think they're the brand Bamboo. And they're super scuffed up. Oh my gosh. I don't know if I'll ever get rid of them though. I don't know. They'd have to be falling apart because I love those things. I love them. So yeah, those were like 15 bucks from Plato's Closet. And these ones I do have to get rid of because they're getting destroyed. Look at that. These were from that shoe company, Fab, something shoe, Dazzle, Fab, I don't know, something like that. And yeah, those were 40, but I got those like 7 years ago. I need to get rid of those because they're already broken. These are like really gross to have on display because they're not cute. I got these for like $1 at the thrift store, but I just saved them for like the pool. These are Jessica Simpson flats, and these are my 2 flats from Walmart, which I love. I'm obsessed with. Yeah, so that's all my shoes. And then here I just got these shelves pretty recently on Facebook Marketplace. Somebody was getting rid of them. So I put my purse overflow on here. There's just like 2 clutches and my little backpack. That's my travel carrying case for toiletries. I've got a pair of jeans there. These bins just have like whatever day off comfortable t-shirts in them and then work shirts. And they're never neat. They're never gonna look neat. So that's that. All right, I'm like running out of breath. I'm trying to get through this quickly, but there's a lot. I'm not gonna go through every individual piece of clothing, but I'm going through the shoes and the purses because I personally, that's more interesting, I guess. I don't know. So I have this Guess green purse. This is super Y2K. I'm pretty sure it's from that time. And I got this on Poshmark for $15. I love this purse. I think it's so freaking cute. It's a shoulder bag and it's got the most perfect amount of room in there to carry stuff. But as you can see, it's green. It doesn't match everything. So I try to wear it as much as I can, but I don't get to all the time. But I do love the option. I love the color. I just bought this purse from Marshall's for $32 and I cannot wait to wear this out. I'm definitely bringing this on my Orlando trip. I think this is such a beautiful little crossbody bag. I love the brown and the tan, and I can't believe I'm saying that because I used to hate the brown and tan aesthetic. This is a Chanel purse. I did not buy this, guys. This is vintage. My mother gave this to me. She bought this decades ago and she was gonna get rid of it and she gave it to me. Like you can see, it is very much old. It is vintage Chanel and I was more than happy to take it off her hands because I'm a thrifter anyways. I appreciate a vintage piece, and not only is it a vintage piece, it is Chanel, guys. This is so iconic. This right here is so iconic. I love it. I actually use that a lot. And then this is from a thrift store as well, Miche. I have no idea what that brand is, but I just really liked the snakeskin aspect of it. And I have this one, which is from, I think, Rue 21. It's just this little faux leather bag. And now we are on to the clothes. I try to have things semi-organized, so I have like short sleeve items here, some long sleeves, and then tank tops in the back since it's now winter and I'm not using them. I've got leggings here, I've got my jeans, then it goes into dresses. Yeah. And over here I just have all of this set aside because so all of this right here is set aside because this is what I'm thinking of bringing to my next trip. But yeah, I have like so many black dresses, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then I have 9 over here. I have 9 black dresses. I don't know why. This is that Fashion Nova dress I just got on Facebook Marketplace. This is a Calvin Klein one I got from Ross. This is a little summer one I got from Ross. Got my faux leather leggings I just bought. I cannot wait to wear those. And yeah, just some short sleeves, like nothing special, guys. Just got a bunch of stuff here.